Crucial update for Bitcoin. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's talk about the momentum indicator in terms of these yellow and red lines, white, yellow, and red lines above and below the price action, currently $47,100. In terms of achieving overbought, we would expect the momentum of the buyers to continue to higher prices. In the past, when we've contacted this overbought territory, yes, it has acted as a momentum or continuation indicator. You'll see here recently as we achieved oversold territory, while we got some interaction at that level, yes, the sellers did gain control of the market and continue to push the price, down. So in terms of gaining control of the market, it looks like the buyers are squarely above the 100 and the 200 moving averages, right? And we are looking for positive prices for that momentum to continue to the upside. Yes, we may have some direct interaction at that specific level of 70 on the RSI. Do note that. In terms of the specific patterning formation, I want you to pay attention, please, to the specified descending triangle. That descending triangle is a real pattern in play right now. That's a bearish pattern, just so that you know. Okay, that specific move to the downside, just be prepared for the fact that this could fake out. I'll tell you, we've had a few in the recent patterning, I'd say the few weeks in the patterning where Bitcoin has just really faked the traders out. So a potential move to 45,607 could be in the books. However, we have a really nice bull flag. We have a nice move to the upside. Okay, in terms of this move to the upside, it's just a beautiful pattern framework to work with. I'll explain the dynamics in terms of the breakout. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on notifications. And for all the VIP and I'd say base campers, congratulations on all your success thus far in 2022. We're looking for a great year. In terms of this move to the upside with a downward sloping channel, we'd like to break this line of resistance, confirm this line of prior resistance as support, and boom, move to the upside. We have a few frustrating lines of resistance right in the way. However, let me get into this 4-hourly chart, and I want to designate this in terms of how we have laid this out in the live streams. First of all, this line of support to resistance feature here, support to resistance, we have a cross trend line that's currently in play nearly immediately upon this specific bull flag. Very important that you guys are aware of that specific feature. It may be just a touch above. Okay, you'll want to lay that out specifically. However, it's just very closely in contact with this specific, at least in this immediate zone of that bull flag, providing a level of resistance, cross trend line. Then we have this specific line on the candle wicks here. So we really have a triple level of resistance to get out, up, and through. We have a level of resistance, the top of the specified bull flag. Then we have this specific prior level on the candle wicks, right? And then we have this specific cross trend line in effect here. So if Bitcoin is in the shape and form to really continue to prove itself, this next move to the upside will definitely prove a lot to the traders. I'll tell you that. In terms of the weekly, we have the most simple, I say the simplistic pattern in terms of the symmetrical triangulation. Very easy. Now, in terms of the amplitude move to the upside, you guys understand normally they're a continuation pattern. However, they can operate as a reversal. A double bottom is indicated as well. So that move to the upside, that amplitude has been achieved. And we will discuss on the 4-hourly. Let's talk about the 4-hourly real quickly. Let's dig into that 4-hourly. And what I will discuss finally here is just the amplitude, I'd say, of the entirety of the move. Your pricing target needs to include the fact that this portion right here, this previous portion of the price action is excluded, guys, from that specific, I'd say that top line resistance in the form of a cross trend line, right? That specific move up and above, this portion up and above, right? All of this support is excluded by the function of the cross trend line, support to resistance. So as you're lining out your lower, I'd say your lower time frames in terms of that symmetrical triangulation, understand this portion in here is excluded by default in terms of this level of support to resistance and the operation of that cross trend line. Carrying up this line of support, that is one target for any specified symmetrical triangulation. You understand that's kind of an option for anyone trading a specific symmetrical triangulation. The additional or the upside target therefrom or up and above that level would be a beautiful move up to that 55,000. Let's just call that 55.5. That would be indicated as of right now of this specific video. Now, in terms of our VIP, I want to thank you guys for your streams. I want to thank you for your your membership. Anyone who has not joined yet, we're looking forward to 2022 being a gangbuster year. We want you guys to join Top Shelf Trade Group and Angel. Shout out to you, brother. Invested in Bitcoin is $7.79. He is our King VIP. We're looking forward to more positive pricing. Take it step by step. We're going pattern by pattern, and there are a lot of different patterns indicated, but immediately we're looking at this bull flag versus that specified, as we just covered, that bull flag versus this specified descending triangle. It's been a bit slow recently, but it's consolidating, guys. BTC likes to push sideways a bit to allow it room to go up and to allow it room to go down. So this is London with Bitcoin Spike. I appreciate everything, guys. We'll talk to you soon. We'll be streaming tomorrow. Keep those notifications on. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.